Mending your inner pottery. This meditation is been inspired with the art of Kintsugi. It's a Japanese art. What they do is, if any vessel they break, like a ball or a vase, they don't throw away the piece. What they do instead is they repair it with a liquor of either silver or gold, and the entire piece looks so beautiful, even what it was before. So the art of Kintsugi teaches us that brokenness can become beauty. It can become more strong, like it's like a symbolism of beauty and strength if we approach it with a sense of intention, right, and care. So when I saw this, I had this inner realization that we are also like that. We are also like pots. We are clay pots, or we also go through some brokenness in our life because of our emotion. So in this exercise, we are going to convert guilt through the metaphor of Kintsugi. You can take any other emotion, if not guilt, and apply this principle. So I have listed few questions down this video. You would require to go through this question. Just spend 5-10 minutes with this question to understand what is the source of this guilt. What is the nature of this guilt? How does it makes you feel, right? And then the second part is to understand what this guilt has taught you. So we are going to take out some affirmation. We'll make some affirmation to create this golden liquor. So guilt is the broken pot. We are broken somewhere, or any other emotion that has made you broken. And the golden liquor is the affirmation, is the positive side, what it has taught you. This entire thing is a new creation. It's a new you. It's a more beautiful and a stronger you. Okay, so please go through the question down below, and then we'll get to the next part. So I'm sure that you have paused this video, you have done the first part of it. Let's go to the next part, which is a guided meditation. So I would like you to sit comfortably anywhere in a quiet place where you are undisturbed for the next 10 minutes or so, and gently close your eyes, and we'll start by taking few deep breaths to center ourselves. So 3 breaths. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Okay, inhale, exhale. As you do that, let your body get more relaxed. If you are having any tension, you are releasing it. Inhale and exhale. Now imagine yourself as the pieces of pottery. You are whole yet carrying the golden lines where the cracks were, right? And see, there is like light reflecting from those cracks because they are the golden now, symbolizing your strength and resilience. So picturize this pot, beautiful pot, which has cracks, and beautiful lights reflecting from those cracks because they are made of gold. Picturize it, imagine it. And now, as you are looking at this beautiful golden cracked pot, bring your attention to the breath. While you inhale, imagine you're inhaling the beautiful golden light into your body, filling every corner of your body with this warmth, with this acceptance. With each exhale, let go of the remaining guilt. If there is any other guilt or self doubt still there, let it go. Let's do this process for some time. Inhaling this beautiful golden light, which is the new affirmations, the new way to look at this guilt or this emotion. Inhale all the warmth, the beauty it brings to you, and exhale any remaining guilt, doubt, or emotion that is still there. As you do that, silently in your mind, repeat this affirmation to yourself. I honor my journey. My cracks are part of my beauty, and my light shines brighter because of them. I honor my journey. My cracks are part of my beauty, and my light shines brighter because of them. Spend few moments reflecting on how this golden light seems to your visualization, symbolizes the lessons that you have learned and the strength that you have gained so far. Keep affirming, I honor my journey. My cracks are the part of my beauty, and my light shines brighter because of that. Allow yourself to feel this gratitude for your journey. You can continue with this process as long as you want. And whenever you are ready, you can slowly bring your awareness back to the room wherever you are. Wiggle your finger, your toes, and you can rub your hands, put them on your eyes, and gently you can open your eyes. So, this meditation helps you seal this emotional work done through the exercise before. And you can carry this sense of wholeness, the self of full acceptance with you when you move forward. And of course, you can repeat this exercise as many times as you want. Thank you for listening.